guys, it's me, your girl, Lady Carrie Lee, back with another video. Say, tell them, subscribe. Say subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so today I am back with another video. I'm going to show you what I'm cooking for dinner. Yeah, let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me. Turn on that post notifications bell on right now. So I had prepared my salmon here. 2 salmons, one for me, one for Jace. I had seasoned it with some adobo. I had seasoned it with, oh my gosh, my lighting, with some pepper. And in here, I have my oil, my olive oil, and I had added 2 tablespoons of my butter, soy free, for Jay. So right now, what I'm making is a pasta with the salmon already washed and everything like that. Chicken broth, lemon. Yeah, this is my chicken broth as well. Hold on, guys. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside the pan now so you guys can see. All right. 1. I gotta count my shit. Oh my gosh. And 2. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave this on medium. You're gonna medium heat, medium low, whatever. Cook the salmon on each side for 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. We're gonna let this baby cook in here, and I'm gonna show you the next step once this is done on each side, the 2 minutes, okay? All right, guys, I had set the pot with water. If you don't know how to make pasta, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm just kidding. Set water, pasta, oil, salt. I picked gluten-free pasta because my son is allergic to a bunch of shit, so everything we use is gluten-free. Tastes the same, pretty much. So I'm going to wait for this to boil. Got to set it up. And I'm going to go ahead and check on my salmon and start flipping them now. Guys, the salmon is nice and flipped. Now, like I said, another 2.5 minutes for the other side. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, hit the like button, comment away, share away for your people for a nice simple dinner that is so quick and it is definitely healthy. I'm going to take out the salmon now and go ahead and put it on my plate. Yes, let's go ahead and here we go. 1 salmon, and you see how this coloring is nice. All right, 2nd salmon. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the next step. What you're going to do is you're going to start pouring, oh my gosh, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, okay, guys? The next step, what you're going to do now is we are going to add the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into your little skillet, okay? Next, it says to use garlic cloves. I don't have garlic cloves, so I am improvising right now with minced garlic. So here we go. I'm gonna put maybe, I love garlic, so 2, 3. I'm gonna mix this in, guys, and I'm gonna show you the next step now. This is how it's going to look, and you're gonna add the salmon back into the skillet now. Once again, keep it on medium low heat, and we're gonna start putting the salmon in, and we're gonna start chopping it up until it's cooked thoroughly. Yes, my lovey, I'm cooking for us. Yeah. So like I said, I added the salmon back into the mix. We're going to use a spoon to break the salmon off into bite-sized pieces, okay? You see what I'm doing right here? Bite-sized pieces. Oh my gosh, the aromas that are coming out of this pan right now, it smells awesome. If you guys could have smell vision. Yes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue breaking it off because I'm using one hand and it's kind of difficult to do with one hand. Guys, look at this. This is the way it should look, or however you decide to chop up your salmon. We're gonna let this cook a little bit more until you feel that this is cooked, then it's ready to go, okay? And I will show you the next step once this is finished. I'm still freaking waiting for my water to boil. Look at this shit. It's not even boiling yet. And so it's like, does this happen to you? Like, it knows, like, hey, I'm staring at you and I'm not boiling. Look at little bubbles. Come on. Come on. I need you to come alive. Come alive. All right. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys my little dinner for today. Oh my gosh, guys, it's finally boiling after I don't know how many years later. I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta now. Sorry for my smoke effects as usual. This is how you break pasta. Okay? If you guys didn't know. Now you don't know. If you didn't know, now you know. All right, let me get into cooking because this shit. I'm going to go ahead and start stirring the noodles, and I'm gonna leave this in here uncovered. Look at this getting stuck. Yo, I do have one specifically for pasta, but yeah, it's not currently here at the moment. It's missing. Well, not missing, it's just packed away for some reason. Yeah, and leave this uncovered for about 10 to 11 minutes. Yes, I'm cooking. It's coming. Okay, okay. My pasta is nice and done, nice and tender the way I like it. And for my son, I'm going to go ahead and drain this out now so I can add it into the skillet. If you hear my son's music in the back, I do apologize for that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta. I did leave a little bit of pasta water so it can be a little bit more juicier. So let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and stir my pasta into the mix, into the skillet. Yes, yes, this is how it is supposed to look. All the juices, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is a very healthy meal and alternative. What you can also do, guys, if you want, you can add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, some red pepper flakes, whatever is your preference, guys, to add that into your garlic lemon pasta that I did make for our dinner today. So something so simple, because if you don't know what to make, then here you go. Try this out. Let me know how you like it. So this is my plate. I'm about to enjoy my meal right now because I'm so freaking hungry. I'm starving. Well, this is my dinner, and I'm glad that you guys got to see me make some delicious, simple, healthy food. And if you do make this, please let me know. Please let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share away. Do all that good stuff, you know? I'm going to go ahead and try it in front of you. I know you guys like watching me eat. Like, who doesn't want to watch me eat? Like, it's probably freaking hot, though. It is hot. It is hot. Chef Lady Carrie Lee. Not like Chef Ramsay, but Lady Carrie Lee style. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking good. Bye, guys.